Welcome to another quick tutorial from Tech Media, how to import a remote repository from GitHub with EGIT and Eclipse. Navigate to the repository on GitHub you want to import. You'll need to click the Code button, and then the HTTPS tab. Then copy the URL which contains .git. In Eclipse, click on File on the menu bar, then click Import. Choose Git, then choose Projects from Git with Smart Import. Click Next, then click Clone URI and Next File. Insert the URI for the repository you're importing, and click Next. From here, you can choose to import the branches you want or need. Click Next or Finish. Eclipse will begin downloading and importing the remote repository. When complete, you can begin working on your newly imported project. This concludes our quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and remember to like this video if you found it useful.